So today we are going to learn express in standard form this number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros and 45 raised to 4. But we have learned that to express numbers in standard form, the value of a number should be between 1 and 10. That means this decimal should be here so that the number becomes 4.5 and the number lies between 1 and 10. So how many times will you jump towards your right? We will be jumping 8 times, right? So we will write 4.5 into 10 raised to minus 8. Why are we writing minus 8? When we shift our decimal towards the right, n will always be in the form of negative. Raised to 4. Now this is like a into b, the whole raised to m. A raised to m into b raised to m. That means this 4 is shared by 4.5 and 4 is shared by 10 raised to minus 8. So we'll split it. 4.5 raised to 4 into 10 raised to minus 8 raised to 4. Now what is 4.5 raised to 4? That means we have to multiply 4.5 4 times. So what is the answer of 4.5 into 4 times? It is 410.0625 into 10 raised to mn. Now this is a raised to m, the whole raised to n. So a raised to mn is minus 8 into 4 is minus 32. But here children, the number is 410. Still now the number is not lying between 1 and 10. So now you will shift your decimal towards your left. Okay, so 410 will become 4.100625. But when you are shifting your decimal towards your left, your exponent will be positive. So 2 decimals you have shifted, so it will be 2. When you are shifting towards your right, exponent will be negative. When you are shifting towards your left, exponent will be positive into 10 raised to minus 32. So now this number you will write as it is into 10 raised to 1 plus 1 minus, you will minus and put the sign of greater number, because this is a raised to m into a raised to n is a raised to m plus n. So we have done 2 plus of minus 32, which is minus 30. Hope you understood, children. Thank you.